central group are great on maintenance around the country. But what we've found in 2.5 years on site with the Heli forklifts here is that there's been no call to take any forklifts off site for maintenance ever.
Our whole support package to PBT is all governed by our fleet management system that we have on the forklifts, and that identifies the operator, identifies the utilisation, and also identifies when the machines are due for servicing. That's live fleet management and utilisation. The technicians get visibility of that, and then they service using our own DigiCheck system, which is a fully digitised service regime, which they do off their phone. Support from Heli in China is amazing, and particularly knowing that we have contracts like PBT, if we have a technical issue or we had a parts supply or issue, they're straight onto it and we get immediate response.